Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Experience the precision of the Festool 575302 Sliding Compound Mitre Saw KS 120 REB KAPEX. This tool boasts a twin-column guide with 2 bearings, ensuring unique accuracy with every cut. Need to see your cutting line clearly? The dual-line laser has got you covered. With fine adjustments down to the last millimeter and a special cutting position for depths up to 120 millimeters, you can tackle any project with confidence. Plus, the FastFix saw blade changing system means no more time wasted. Lightweight and compact, the Festool KS 120 REB is easy to transport, making it perfect for any job site. Safety is a priority with its built-in safety brake, keeping you secure while you work. Whether you are trimming skirting boards or cutting panels, the Festool 575302 is your ultimate partner for precision and performance. Get yours today and elevate your craftsmanship.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.